Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and here at the Shamma workshop we're always doing research, developing our next product, trying to improve the sandals, and we were doing some research, some work on our next product, and then TK and Willy stumbled upon this. So this morning I came to work because this is my home, and here at my home, Willy and TK, the first thing I see this morning, where are you going?
Away in shame.
TK has the leaf blower in Willy's pant leg at full blast, and he has thunder
It's
thumb.
worse. Explaining it's worse. TK,
It's
let's
worse.
show them to make it better.
Make it better, TK.
This is a
Continue.
common thing. People do this, okay? It started with you make your shirt so you look bigger than you
Why
are.
did it take so long to figure this out?
And then
Full
here,
blast. Are we ready?
you can give
Are you
yourself
ready?
thunder thighs.
Here we go.
It's pretty cool.
This is what it would be like.
What would it be like if I was just a little heavier?
Alright, I'm done with that. Had enough.
See, not as bad. Not as bad as saying it. It's really not as bad.
Okay, we're done. That's it. It's over.